Welcome, I'm Scott Ryan, the owner of Keppel Explorer, and today I'm going to take you on a unique island hopping adventure around the Keppel Islands on the Southern Great Barrier Reef. We offer a fun and personal way of seeing the Keppel Islands at your own pace, without the crowds and an itinerary made just for you. We've got hundreds of 5-star reviews and are rated the #1 Great Keppel Island tour on TripAdvisor. We depart daily, 9 AM from the Keppel Bay Marina in Yeppoon, just a short drive from Rockhampton, which receives daily flights and trains from Brisbane. We're the perfect midway stop between the Whitsundays and Fraser Island. The marina at Yeppoon also offers free parking for cars, motorhomes and caravans. We have 18 islands in the Keppels, most of which are uninhabited and almost all of which are inaccessible to visitors, unless of course you travel with us. And that's what we specialise in. We'll explore up to 5 pristine secluded islands with over 20 white sandy beaches, so guests are guaranteed that absolute castaway adventure with not a soul in sight. For us, it's all about the fun, adventure and getting away from the crowds, a nature-based secluded paradise exclusively for our small group. Our 12-seat ex-military search and rescue vessel is unsinkable, with soft sides to slide into the crystal clear waters. Being so close to the water on a smaller vessel means our guests have the most intimate wildlife experiences. From whales and dolphins to turtles and dugongs, the marine life is so welcoming you won't want to leave. The activities on tour are based around the group needs and weather conditions on the day. Guests will have a short, exhilarating cruise from the mainland to the islands and then be enthralled by the magical, diverse landscape of the islands we cruise by and experience such things as sea caves, volcanic rock exploration, as well as multiple snorkelling opportunities at various locations around the islands. Some where you will swim with the turtles, others with colourful fringing coral, or the shipwreck with a myriad of huge fish. Our resident turtles are some of the friendliest in the world, which makes snorkelling with them a really memorable experience. In fact, our guests actually spend more time off the boat exploring and experiencing this magical paradise, from the secret Keppel Christmas tree with its whimsical rope swing, to relaxing in the sky hammock, and walks to magnificent lookouts with sand dune fun to bring out your inner child. We also share stories of the Indigenous history and early settlers, buried treasure and the ghosts of Keppel. Every guest receives a personalised gourmet lunch pack to suit their dietary requirements from the multi-award winning Waterline restaurant. A private beach picnic lunch enjoyed on a remote secluded island, definitely a tick off the bucket list. On board we have a range of Instagram-worthy snorkelling gear, as well as thermal tops, pants and super dry marine jackets for the winter months. We also carry bathoscopes for non-swimmers to see the reef below, as well as a few prescription masks in case you don't wear contacts, all of which are included in the price. For me, this is not about work. I wake up every morning excited to meet our new guests, knowing that I have the opportunity to show them my beautiful home in paradise and give them a most unique experience to add to their list of favourite holiday memories. And to top it off, they will leave feeling like a local. This really is a magical place, so I look forward to welcoming you on board Keppel Explorer for the ultimate Great Barrier Reef island hopping experience.